Yeah, I've had an issue with my 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. The passenger side rear headrest stopped flipping back when you tilt the seat down. I did the whole thing, searched the internet, did all the stuff that the guys suggested, removing the springs that still were stuck. So this is my solution. I had to tear down the whole seat to check where the problem was. It was actually a cable bracket that broke off. This is a quick video. It might be helpful to some people going through the same problem. Just a word of warning. I was like halfway into tearing the seat down when I decided to quickly film this. So it isn't great audio, it isn't great lighting. I didn't feel like rigging all my gear up just to shoot something quickly. So apologies if the audio is bad, apologies if the light is bad. I try to make it as good as possible, but hopefully it will be helpful to somebody. Okay, cool. So there the seat's dismantled. Cover off. You can check the covers lying over there. And the foam padding in there. Just to show you quickly, that is the cable that does the release mechanism for the headrest. This is the actual latch to release the seat forward, and there is the cable release. I've done what most other guys have suggested on various other forums, is to disconnect the springs that hold the headrest in place. That had absolutely no effect. This thing is still stuck in place. So what my actual problem is that this bracket over here, which holds the cable in place, actually broke off. So I'm going to take this whole unit off and see if I can repair that with Q-bond or something, because this is the actual thing that needs to release in order for your headrest to pivot forward. So if I can't get that fixed, I'll have to try and see if I can't take that whole mechanism out. Okay, so here the whole mechanism is off the bracket, quite tight, I would suppose, probably some Loctite and stuff in there. But here's the actual problem. That is supposed to slip in there, and as you can see, that whole thing has sheared off. I'm not sure where the other part is, so it doesn't look like it's fixable. I might have to disconnect these springs for the actual mechanism, the small ones here on the inside, and one on that side, to see if that will resolve the headrest just flopping back on its own. Okay, cool, it's all fixed. So I actually took out those little bottom springs that come around there for the mechanism to hold it in place. I put the original factory ones back in with a bit of a grunt. So what happens now is, once this dude goes back in place and the seats fold down, then they should fall down automatically and just snap in place. So there's no mechanism holding it. And then to prevent that mechanism going back up and locking it in place, just two simple zip ties. So yeah, I'm going to install it quickly and check if it works. Okay, here we go. Test number 1. Cool, works perfectly. Only thing I had to change was initially I cable tied right around where the bolt holes are, which was a bit off. So I moved it around to that side, and that just keeps the little mechanism locked in place. And yeah, I think I'll just remove this whole cable. It's not needed. So I hope that helped. Yeah, if there's any other issues or questions or stuff that you guys know about, let me know. Otherwise, I hope it's helpful. If you like it, thumbs up, share it. Yeah, many more happy miles.